Hi, this is Margaret Manggiod from Ruby 2 to 5 p.m. These are the steps in the formatting system unit. Press delete to go in Windows XP Professional Setup. All computer has BIOS. BIOS is a basic input-output system. You can set up your PC will run. Set up Windows XP now, press enter. To continue. Then press F8 to agree. Then to delete selected partition, press D, and to create partition and unpartition space, press C. To set up Windows XP on the selected items, press enter. Then after deleting the partition, they will ask you if you wanted to format your new PC. Then format the partition using the NTFC file system. Then enter to continue. Then set up copying files. Then wait for a while. Yes. Then number 8. The computer will copy the contents needed from the CD to your PC and installing it. Okay. And then copying files for installing Windows. Then click next and type your full name or name of company or organization. Write them. Then click next. Then product key. The product key is located at the back of your CD case. Then please next, and then after the installation is complete, the computer will automatically restart. Then wait for automatically restart. Installing Windows. Then after finalize, then click next and next, and then once you started, set the display in your put the computer name that you desire. First install antivirus, then go to your device manager and look for the missing drivers of your system. Then look Windows XP finalizing. Then thank you, sir. Thank you.